Keep going a little bit past the Holmes homestead, and what do I see? I've come up here before when it's dry and climbed up this, what is now a raging waterfall. And when you climb up, it's like, it goes up to a really volcanic looking rock formations. Just gorgeous. It's like you're on a different planet when you're up there, because it's just like all of the porous lava rock. Nothing like this. This is gorgeous. What a wonderful hike. Oat Hill Mining Trail out of Calistoga. We're gonna head back down because I'm starting to get a little bit cold. I'm in my shorts. My bright neon shorts at night. And my feet are soaked. So, heading back down. The cat and the dog are in the backpack. They both gave up. The cat hates the water. Taz got cold, so he wanted to get in. And now they're keeping my back warm. Oat Hill Mining Trail, what an awesome trail. Spring, summer, winter, it's always nice.